If I only had 3 minutes with you, enough time to plant one seed that could shift your entire relationship with wealth, I would tell you this: money reacts to how you treat yourself. You can't bully yourself all day, criticize your worth, ignore your body's need, and then expect money, a high frequency energy, to feel safe around you. Because here is the truth: money doesn't respond to desperation, it responds to regulation. Every time you speak to yourself with love, you are signaling to your nervous system, I am safe, I am supported, I am enough. And the subconscious, your inner operating system, mirrors that safety by allowing you to receive more. When you treat yourself like you are already valuable, already worthy, already abundant, money starts treating you the same way. Your nervous system has what's called a safety threshold. If you live in self criticism and chaos, your body perceives growth, even financial growth, as unsafe. So it unconsciously pushes it away. That's why rich energy is not about what you buy, it's about how you care for yourself. The softness in your morning routine, the patience in your tone, the boundaries you set, the nourishment you give your mind and body, all of it tells the universe, I am ready for more because I know how to honor more. Money mirrors self treatment. So, when you respect your time, value your peace, and stop chasing validation, you become magnetic to wealth. You don't have to chase money. You have to become the kind of woman money trusts. And that starts with how you treat yourself when no one is watching. When you treat yourself with softness, patience, and respect, you shift your internal frequency. You move from I have to prove to I am already worthy. And that shift, that teeny invisible moment, is the same energy that opens door, brings opportunities, attract miracles. Let's get real. Most people think the next business idea, the next job, or the next client will fix their money problems. But the truth is, the foundation of abundance is self regulation. Neuroscience proves that your nervous system controls your capacity to receive. If you constantly live in stress, you are in survival mode, and your brain literally shut down creative, receptive, abundant thinking. In survival, your mind say we are not safe enough for more. So, when money flows in, you self-sabotage, you overspend, you undercharge, you reject help, you delay your next level because your body hasn't learned that receiving is safe yet. So, how do you change that? You start treating yourself the way you want money to treat you. You respect your boundaries, you rest without guilt, you speak to yourself gently, you move slowly, intentionally, like a woman who trusts her timing. That's how you rewire your subconscious to feel safe in abundance. You can't attract wealth from depletion, you attract wealth from nourishment. Money mirrors you. If you treat yourself like you are disposable, money disappears. If you treat yourself like you are divine, money desires to stay. Every time you choose peace over panic, gratitude over greed, rest over rush, you align with the frequency of wealth, because abundance is not an external reward, it's a reflection of your inner environment. The more love you hold within, the more life wants to pour into you. So, when people ask, how do I make more money? I always whispers, start by loving yourself louder, because money doesn't come to those who chase it. It comes to those who honor themselves enough to receive it. You don't have to do more. You just have to stop abandoning yourself, because how you treat yourself is exactly how the universe and money learns to treat you. If this message resonated, replay it until your body believes it. Say this to yourself daily: I treat myself like wealth. I speak to myself like abundance. I move like a woman money trusts. Because you are the investment, and your self respect is the highest return you'll ever receive. Thank you for being here.